found a dress that is full on funky and fringy and that gives a total 2000 chaos. But guess what? I didn't just style it once but twice as a dress and as a top. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Sampurna and today I'm giving you a little fashion tip. I'm very excited because this is going to be my first YouTube video on this channel. I don't know about the response, but let's see. I'm a style. So I'm keeping it very casual, cute, but still so much chaos. This is the dress. This is also brown. I'm also wearing brown. And this has this laces. So yeah, it's very curvy. I know maybe some people don't like this much chaos, but I think I can style it better. So first let's start with the makeup. I have already done my skincare, like I will use some moisturizer, my smell serum and everything is done. So now I'm going to do my makeup only. That's for sure. For the makeup influencers. I'm so sorry. But I'm not that girl who will go for the, like the right one. I always go for the wrong one. So straight I will put the powder. So this, I can't see without specs. So this is the problem. And also I don't have lenses right now. So I'll do this. Like this. This is most important because I have these cheekbones, these cheek patterns, so I have to highlight it. These are the ones. I'm not going to take so much time for makeup, so let's just fast forward. Makeup and it's done. Waiting time is gone. Now I will show my dress. I will wear it, I will style it and give you the full fashion one. Now chop chop.
Alright, now let's break this look down because this dress, she's not shy. First of all, we have got distressed texture meeting structured chaos, and that's where this piece becomes a moment. The asymmetric fringe and shredded detailing, straight up deconstructed glam, oh my god. Those ruched gathered seams add depth while contouring the body, creating what we call visual rhythm. It draws the eye exactly where you want it. And these fringes, they are not just there for drama, they create movement and movement creates all the attention. Now time for first fashion tip from your fashion mommy. Hashtag 1. If you are really confused like how to stand out in a party or like how to get seen, let your outfit do all the talking with bold textures. Now the silhouette of this dress. It's body hugging but not so basic, and the way fabric falls, oh my god, feels almost bias cut, soft, unpredictable and sexy in the most effortless way. The fabric wraps and cleans in all the right places, but what makes it pop is the intentional imperfection. It's not trying too hard but still says I know fashion history and I remix it in my way. Now let's zoom in on the texture, because this is not just fabric, it's fashion storytelling. The ruched threaded layers, they are giving dimension, depth and straight up attitude. It's like someone took softness, twisted it and turned it into a rebellion, just like my favorite, the Rebel Kid. If you want to serve a look without screaming, don't chase prints or color, chase texture, silhouette and that quiet kind of drama that whispers, I didn't buy this off a mannequin, I styled it from my soul. And the vibe, it's giving raw elegance, like I'm delicate but dangerous. Think runway meets underground rave, with a side of don't touch unless invited. This isn't just a dress, it's a whole narrative. The distressed finish, it's not a flaw. It's fashion with edge. The phrase, the asymmetry, the exposed skin, it's not undone, it's strategically unbothered. This dress says, I didn't come here to blend in, I came here to be felt. It's confident stitched into fabric, it doesn't scream for approval. It already knows it looks good. It walks that perfect line between chaotic and curated. And baby, that's where real style lives. Time for second fashion tip from your fashion mommy. Playing with the texture is how you elevate a simple silhouette into a full-blown style moment. You can see that. You want contrast? Smooth skin against rough layers, or chaos layered over curves. It's about giving the eyes something to chase. Now plus point, a styling tip. So when you are wearing a piece like this loud, balance is the key. Go minimal on accessories, let the fabric be the drama. Think sleek hair, clean makeup and maybe just one statement piece, a chunky cuff or layered chains. Honestly, this is not just an outfit, it's an energy. Now here is the fun part. We don't just wear our clothes one way around here. Fashion isn't about repeating outfits, it's about repeating energy with a remix. And this dress, of course, she's screaming party. But with a little twist, she's suddenly street smart and maybe a little savage. Now let me show you how to deconstruct the drama and turn this full-on statement dress into a top that still holds the spotlight but gives you a way more styling range. Now time for a fashion tip from your fashion mommy. It's very funny. You have heard this so much that never underestimate the power of a common man. Just like that, never underestimate the power of a few safety pins and good intentions. Okay, I'm flipping the look by folding and pinning the bottom, giving it a cropped shape that snatches the waist and shows off the structure. No sewing, no cutting, just clever styling with some safety pins. I like to call this fashion alchemy, turning one bold piece into multiple moods. We are not just wearing the dress differently, we are reshaping the narrative. The cropped hem brings focus to the waist, lets the hip line breathe, and adds that confident little flash on midriff that says, yes, the body is bodied. Pin it right, let the fabric fall where it wants, and you have suddenly got a custom one-of-one top with zero tailoring needed. And here is the thing, it's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. Now time for a pro tip from your fashion mommies. Safety pins are your silent friend. Hide them, walk them, and let the fit speak louder than the brand tag ever could. I have paired it with classic black bootcut pants. Sleek, high-waisted and built to elongate the legs and snatch the waist. The fabric flows just enough to balance out the drama on top, giving you that effortless look without overdoing it. That contrast between the sculpted crop top and the flared bottom, chef's kiss. It's giving hourglass, it's giving proportion play, it's serving shape without any shapewear. And let's be real, bootcut pants are the underrated heroes of body contouring. They slim the thighs, lengthen the legs, and anchor any statement top like this one. This combo is proof that you don't need loud colors or 10 accessories to make a statement. All you need is balance, silhouette, and a little bit of that main character energy. And now the final but most important part of fashion, the styling sauce. Accessories are not there to compete, they're there to complete. I'm keeping the jewelry very minimal but intentional, a few layered chains, a sleek pair of hoops, and maybe a chunky ring or two. Not too much but enough to say I planned this but I'm not trying too hard. Shoes, yeah, clean, powerful, no fuss. Think block heels, pointed toes, maybe even a boot moment. Something that adds height without stealing the spotlight. I have this black statement bag. Absolutely, it's not just a carry-all, it's your attitude in accessory form. Something structured, maybe textured. Now time for the last pro tip from your fashion mommy. Let one piece do the talking and let everything else whisper luxury. That's how you stay loud without being loud, and it's called taste. And baby, we serve that on a silver chain.
And that's how you take a edgy little dress and turn it into completely different looks without buying a thing. Darling, fashion is not about how many clothes you have. It's all about what you have and how you wear it. So it's confidence, it's creativity, and it's you playing dress up, but with purpose, because you're a big girl now. So if you love this flip and want more unexpected styling, bold outfit breakdowns, or just raw fashion magic, you know what to do. So like, comment and subscribe my channel, because we're just getting started, and I promise from here it will get more louder and bolder. Until next time, stay fashionable, stay fearless, and always wear your style. Ta-da!